Canada's Pathway for International Doctors, your complete guide from medical exams to permanent residency. Canada urgently needs doctors, opening unique opportunities for international medical graduates to build rewarding new careers. First step, create an account on physiciansapply.ca and begin verifying your medical credentials online. Submit your medical degree, transcripts, and language test results for verification. Accuracy and completeness are critical. Educational documents must be sent directly from your university to the verification service. No shortcuts allowed. Next, prepare for the Medical Council of Canada Qualifying Exam Part 1, MCCQE1, focusing on clinical knowledge and skills. Consistent exam preparation helps IMGs master the MCCQE1. Use guides, practice tests, and official resources. The NAC OSCE tests clinical and communication skills through hands-on simulated patient interactions in a real exam setting. After exams, register for the CaRMS process to apply for residency programs across Canada. Interviews are a key step. On match day, successful candidates receive residency placements. This is a crucial step for Canadian medical licensing. Residency in Canada provides supervised, hands-on training needed for your provincial medical license. Each province grants a medical license after successful residency and required assessments. Check local requirements carefully. Now apply for permanent residency through express entry provincial nominee programs, AIP or RNIP, depending on your situation. Permanent residency unlocks stable settlement and excellent career growth for you and your family in Canada. Canada is waiting for skilled doctors like you. Your journey can lead to a rewarding life and career here.